Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ring light is probably one of the most important tools for hairstylists today, drastically improving the quality of your photos and videos, showcasing your amazing work, attracting more clients, and ultimately boosting your business. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, a high-quality ring light can make all the difference in how your artistry is perceived online and in person, ensuring your talent shines as brightly as your client's new look. Number 5. Neewer RL18 Ring Light Kit. This kit is perfect for professional lighting needs. It includes everything you need to get started, from the ring light itself to a sturdy stand and phone holder. Let's take a look at what's inside. You'll find a powerful 55W LED ring light, a height-adjustable stand, and various accessories to enhance your setup. Setting it up is a breeze. The stand is easy to assemble, and the ring light attaches securely. Remember to check the instructions for optimal stability. It boasts a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%, ensuring you always have the perfect lighting. Plus, it's lightweight, portable, and safe to use. It comes with a soft tube for flexible positioning, color filters for adjusting the light temperature, and a universal phone holder compatible with most smartphones. You'll also find a ball head adapter for your DSLR camera. It's ideal for various applications, including makeup artistry, vlogging, and live streaming. The high-quality light ensures your videos and photos look their best. Order yours now and experience the difference professional lighting can make. Elevate your content creation with this versatile and powerful kit. What we like? It boasts a powerful 55W LED ring light, perfect for illuminating even large spaces. The 18 diameter ensures even lighting. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from a sturdy stand to a carrying bag, making it ideal for professionals on the go. If you need a powerful and portable setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality is great and is very easy to use and set up. The light settings are good and ring light is much brighter and bigger than expected. Very versatile and functions well even wall mounted. This light is amazing. It has the dimmer in a very convenient location, not in the back like some that I have seen, but under the ring so it's easy to adjust while filming. It is super duper bright at 100% and a nice soft glow at its lowest percent. It was easy to set up and it is very sturdy. The gooseneck tube is very strong and stiff. It also comes with a nice padded carrying case to keep the ring light safe. The light is larger, wider than the pictures in the listing suggest, and has a large number of individual LED modules in the ring, so it produces a very even lighting. The feet extend out quite a bit and create a surprisingly wide support base. The dimmer is built into the bottom of the light, and has a knob to turn to adjust brightness. The control does a great job of adjusting the brightness, and I love the feel of the knob. You can feel tiny steps as you turn the knob. Number 4. Kaiess 10.2 Selfie Ring Light. It's the perfect lighting solution for all your content creation needs, whether it's for makeup tutorials or live streams. Its versatile design makes it ideal for various applications. This ring light offers 3 color modes: warm light, cool white, and daylight. Each mode has 10 brightness levels, giving you a total of 30 options to perfectly illuminate your subject. The arched lampshade provides more uniform and balanced lighting compared to flat lampshades, reducing eye strain and ensuring a professional look. It features a sturdy, adjustable tripod stand that extends from 17.5 inches to 65 inches. Quick flip locks allow for easy angle adjustments. It's USB powered, so you can use it with various devices. A wireless remote control lets you operate it hands-free, compatible with both Android and iOS. It's great for live streaming, video conferencing, photography, and more. Make your videos and photos stand out with professional quality lighting. The included phone holder is compatible with most smartphones and rotates 360 degrees, allowing for both horizontal and vertical shooting. What we like? This ring light offers 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels for versatile lighting options. The upgraded lampshade provides more uniform and balanced lighting, reducing eye strain. Control it wirelessly for hands-free operation. If you prioritize color temperature versatility and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand is small and easily transferable, especially if you need to move it from room to room in a small space. The ring light is the perfect size. It is not too big and lights up the subject perfectly. The base is a little awkward if you are placing the light on a desk. Lighting is very nice on camera. It's very easy to extend the light to make it higher or lower, and the light can be positioned to tilt at any angle, which is nice. The lighting itself is awesome. The range of dim to bright is great, and while I can't imagine ever using the cool light setting, I do appreciate those options, too. No ring of light, no squinting. Number 3. GearLight 10 Ring Light. It provides a brighter, more even image, so you can look as good on camera as you do in person. Get ready to capture your best self. This versatile stand expands up to 60 inches and collapses to 17 inches. Perfect for any situation, whether you're standing or sitting. With 2 holders, you can find your best angle. Mount your phone in the center or below the ring light for optimal positioning. Customize your lighting with 3 different modes and 10 brightness settings. Say goodbye to filters and hello to perfect lighting. This complete package includes a 10 ring light, Bluetooth remote, aluminum tripod, and 2 phone holders. Everything you need for professional-looking photos and videos is included. What we like? Capture your best angles with its dual phone holders. Adjust the height to suit your needs, whether sitting or standing. The 10 ring light provides a bright, even glow for flawless selfies and videos. If you need versatility in angles and a great glow, this is perfect for you. What people say. What a difference. Not only does it provide the much-needed front-facing light so that the students can see us, but it has not 1, but 2 phone holders that easily attach. Both are very secure, so no dropped cameras. The gooseneck holder that is attached in the middle of the ring light is very sturdy, so the phone doesn't flop forward in the middle of class. It is well built and perfect for lighting and hands-free filming. With the remote she can film without anyone helping her. Works great and is very stable. The light intensity is adjustable and the size is just right. Very easy to adjust the height as well. Number 2. Dual 8-ring light with stand. This innovative lighting solution offers 2 8-inch ring lights for brighter, softer illumination. It's perfect for vloggers, makeup artists, and anyone needing professional quality lighting. Enjoy brighter, flicker-free light with adjustable color temperature, 2700K, 6000K, and brightness, 1% to 100%. No color filters needed, it adapts to any environment. It features a height-adjustable tripod stand, extending from 38 to 73 inches. Place it on a desk or the ground. The adjustable legs and built-in level ensure stability. With 3 flexible goosenecks and a rotating phone holder, you can adjust the angle in seconds for the perfect selfie or video. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. Simply connect it to a USB power source. The included wireless remote is compatible with most Android and iOS smartphones for convenient control. You get 2 8-inch LED ring lights, a tripod stand, a wireless remote, and a display kit with flexible goosenecks and a phone holder. Everything you need to get started. What we like? Get near shadowless illumination with its dual lights. The adjustable tripod provides stability and flexibility. The rotating design allows for quick angle adjustments. If you need bright, even lighting with maximum flexibility, this is the one for you. What people say. The height is adjustable, and at the typical distance for filming a blog, the lighting was fine. Definitely much better than without it. Assembly was quick and intuitive. The only item I needed the manual for was how to install the phone holder. While I would characterize this as a light-duty setup, it's got what is needed for a number of applications. Single user on videocam zoom, provides a nice soft light, and with 2 separate lights, variable by intensity and by color temperature, you can get a nice, balanced look. It really does add better lighting to videos. It has 3 light settings, and you can adjust the intensity of it from low to high. It's super easy to assemble, less than 5 minutes. It stands over 5 feet when fully pulled out. It plugs directly into a USB port. Number 1. JIANJIN 18 Ring Light Kit. This kit is perfect for creating stunning photos and videos. It includes everything you need to get started, all in one convenient case. Let's take a look inside. You'll find an 18-inch ring light, a sturdy tripod stand, a remote controller, and more. It boasts 416 high-performance LEDs for even lighting. The CRI of over 90 ensures accurate color reproduction. Control brightness and color temperature wirelessly with the included 2.4G remote. Adjust settings from up to 10 meters away. It's compatible with smartphones and cameras. The rotatable phone clip and hot shoe adapter make it easy to set up your shot. The included multifunctional suitcase holds all accessories, including the stand. It even helps stabilize the tripod. We're confident in our product, offering an 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. We only produce the 18-inch size after rigorous testing to meet customer needs. What we like? This ring light boasts a high CRI rating for accurate color reproduction. The 6700K dimmable light offers versatile lighting options. It comes in a portable suitcase for easy transport and storage. If you need high-quality light and portability, this is a great option. What people say. It comes in a great carrying case and is very lightweight but sturdy to reposition. It also has a USB port on it. Has 2 knobs that control quality and quantity of lighting needed. It delivers powerful, adjustable 55W lighting with a 6700K color temperature, perfect for flattering, natural-looking shots. The high CRI of 90 ensures true color accuracy, while the remote control and sturdy tripod make adjustments easy without disrupting your setup. It comes with a remote to control it so you can turn it on and off and control the brightness. I love that it has a LED white light and also a regular lamp light. It also comes with a Bluetooth camera snapshot, a remote that snapshots your pictures so you don't have to do it on a timer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.